Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I would like to discuss about the job openings that I have been posted recently. So before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have been posting the jobs in LinkedIn for every 5 minutes, and I have posted more than 11,774 plus jobs. So this is my profile, Prakash K. I recommend you follow my profile so that you will get the job related updates frequently. So let us discuss about this job opening 11,774. Atlassian company is hiring for senior support engineer, cloud migrations at Bengaluru location. You can apply to the job using this link. So let's discuss about this job more. So basically what kind of person they're looking for and everything. So they are looking for someone who is having 8+ years of experience in support, software services and our system administrator for large end user community. 2+ years of experience with enterprise customers, database skills with expertise to write and update SQL queries with ease, expert expertise to write scripts, experience with SSO, SAML, LDAP, Active Directory SSL, and experience with Splunk, experience with REST and API calls, work with different operating systems like Linux, Unix, and Windows, knowledge in networking, experience supporting Java, especially Java, JVM components, and ability to handle problems, learn new technologies, experience working in an enterprise environment or with enterprise customers, exhibit team oriented and ability to work with several people and roles, experience with server to cloud migration can be added advantage. So basically, I recommend you, if you have set of skills still here, you're fine. And if you are interested in this role, even if you are not able to satisfy these requirements, I recommend you apply for the job because it is free of cost to apply the jobs. That's the good thing about IT. And these would be your responsibilities. You should be working directly with Atlassian customers, jumping on calls with customers to provide updates on migration, and engage support teams across multiple regions within Atlassian like CSM. It's like stakeholder management, I would say. Contributor to the creation and review of knowledge articles, participate in release readiness activities. So these are some things that you need to keep in your mind while applying for the job here. So let's see how you can apply for the job. Just you need to click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, you will get a form to add the details. Click enter your email address and click on next. Keep your resume handy and you can follow the rest of the things. So I think that's it for this video, guys. As I said, you do not forget to follow my profile Prakash K, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information. Thank you and have a great day.